Okay, this is Adidas' shoe, which has the worst name to pronounce. What was it again? Prophere. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to compare Adidas Ultra Boost with Adidas Ultra Bounce and Energy Cloud. And I also have the newest model, the Adidas Prophere. And this is not only the newest model, it's also the model with the most difficult name to pronounce. But anyways, I got it out. So, if we are going to compare these shoes, we gotta have some structure. And for me, the most important thing when I am purchasing a shoe is its comfort and shock absorption. That is why I'm going to rank these shoes according to comfort and their shock absorption. Unless there's something of a tiebreaker, I'll let you know. Alright. Here are my Adidas Propheres. They are comfortable, but they are a bit too bulky, so they lose from the comfort. Like raising your leg is an issue, as if I have the ankle weights here. So that's why I think this will not be the most comfortable shoe. But let's go ahead and run over the prices. This is retailing for $180. This is around $100, $110, and this I can even find it to $40. And this is new, so it's $110. But I think it will eventually be closer to Alphabounce and get to $90, $100 range, and will lose actually a little bit more, in my opinion, because Ultra Bounce offers another technology that I really enjoy. Actually, let me switch to Ultra Bounce on one feet so we get to see and the feelings. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is a lot more comfortable shoe. Yes, I mean the shock absorption and the feel is a lot more better. You feel a lot closer to ground with Prophere, but this is still kind of feeling that I prefer. And you know, I care a lot about shock absorption, and Prophere is unfortunately does not deliver on that front. Let me compare Prophere with the Ultra Bounce. Yeah, I mean, no, like this is not even a comparison. Look, they are both size 12s. Look how large is the Prophere compared to Ultra Bounce. Like this is a signature shoe, I think. Look, this is massive. They are both size 12. I repeat, like there's no size difference. Look at the difference in size. Again, if you would like to buy this as a fashion statement, please go ahead and feel free to do that, because they are actually pretty. I never say that they're not. But in terms of exercising or in terms of comfort on daily use, they are, oh come on, even Energy Cloud. Okay, Energy Cloud does not feel as good, but because it's lighter, like I can see myself exercising with Energy Clouds, and I actually do exercise in them. But Propheres, I'm sorry, I think I picked a product in the wrong category. Like this is more of a lifestyle shoe. No, definitely can't exercise in that. But initially I really like the looks of it, so I think you would also enjoy it with some clothing. You know, this is actually a lifestyle shoe. Let's not try to be judge of it. This is more of a youngster's shoe, definitely. The looks is also there. I mean, but this shoe is inspired by the 90s, and I was a youngster during 90s. That is why I think it made sense for me to get attracted to the shoe. But these shoes back then were actually sports shoes. This one isn't. That's why I'm not going to keep it, guys.